상상해봐 내가 없는 세상을 일어났어도 나를 볼 수 없는 너를
Today, I'm finally getting myself a new lens. And upon searching and upon thinking about it for a few months now, I decided to give it a go. And it's also a rainy day today. Pero, ayun, I'll be taking this opportunity din para makabili ng new glasses. And to also check if tumaas ba yung grado ng eyes ko. Ayun, let's see if there's any updates. So, I'll be with my cousin and my mom. So, I'll see you sa store. We already got our glasses. Finally got my lenses. So this is what I got. And siguro yung inintay lang namin dun is 30 minutes. So we got our glasses from Juan Linaw. One of the things that I've learned from my besties na need to search for other options when it comes to buying. Kasi there are a lot of options na mas affordable than the ones na nasa loob talaga siya ng mall, like known brands. So I'm really happy with my lenses kasi I really wanted thicker lenses than the ones that I previously had. Happy Sunday, everyone. I'm on my way to church right now and I'm going to see my bestie. It's been a while since our schedule aligned and we're finally get to go to church together. We're also planning to spend half of the day at church and then we're going to have a little journaling session after. And I'll update you later once I reach the church. We're going to Coffee King until banana muffin and mine is cream cheese garlic cloud bread and matcha latte with soy milk. Hi everyone, happy Monday. So today's agenda is I'm going out with my friends. And we're going to have a K-barbecue lunch. And then, of course, we're going to have a photo booth session after. Also, I'm going to buy a gift for one of those people. Kasi the reason why we're going out is we might not get to see each other for a very long time kasi one of them is going on a training. So that's what I'm planning to do today, but I'm going alone. It's just that these dogs, ay gusto lang makishare ng aircon. So, I'll see you guys around. Currently here at Daiso and I'm going to buy some stuff for my friend. Thinking of an dorm essential, so that's what I'm going to look for. Actually searching for a laundry bag, pero siguro ito na lang. It's a storage for her to use sa dorm, so that's what I'm going to buy. So let's go. So I finally got the goods from Daiso and I'm really surprised kasi I got some stuff on sale. I'm gonna show you what I got. So first I got this storage box. I thought she might need this sa dorm. And then lastly, I got this mini trash can. Ayan, I thought it would also be useful for her. So that's what I got and hopefully magustuhan ng friend ko and magamit niya sa dorm.
Hi vlog!
Hi, welcome to
Hi guys, so today we are
No, explain to them.
going to a Samgyup date because three of us are already working and ngayon lang nagkasabay-sabay yung day off namin. So, it's like, 1 in a million chances na mangyari siya.
My other friend
Other friend.
and we're going to SM to buy para mag-photo booth. Tapos, I'm going to check din ng wallet. So, yun lang. See you later kapag kasama na namin yung iba naming friends kasi nag-iwalay kami for a while. Hi ka ulit.
Hello! Ako ulit!
Hindi niya sinabi mo last time.
We got mac and cheese and chicken strips.
Kailangan namin ng CCTV. Bigla kaming kasama sa kami. Bye-bye! Parang tayo Yun.